Hi everybody. I just wanted to come on this afternoon. I've talked about this project a little bit in one of my lives, I think. I am starting a new project on January 1st, and I wanted to come on ahead of time to tell you what I was going to do. I got this book it's been a couple months ago, and I was in the store, and for some reason it jumped off the shelf at me, and it wasn't expensive, so I bought it. One of the things I regret most is not knowing more about my dad, or my mother for that matter. And there's always questions I wish I had asked them. And so what I want to do is I want to document a few things for my son. And this book is called One Question a Day. It's a 5-year journal. I can guarantee right now that it's not big enough, so it is not my intention to write in this book. What it does is it asks a question every day, and you answer the same question every year. So as you change, and at this age, my life changes a lot from year to year. It didn't used to change a lot. This last few years has changed. So there's been many changes. So you ask one question, and then you answer that question on January 1st and I'm going to start in 2019, and then in 2020, and so on. What I want to do is I'm going to choose a journal, and I think I'm going to go with the composition notebook. That way, if I am not a good girl and I don't continue this project, I have not used real expensive supplies or anything. I am going to cover these so that I have covers on them. I may put them into the same book cover, which is probably what I'll do. I'll probably leave the composition notebook as it is on my desk, and then get a cover that I can keep it in. I also have this really cool journal that my sister sent me. It's really neat, but you have to have 365 pages because each year you want enough room to write for each year. So while I know this book is not big enough, I'm pretty sure the composition book would be, at least for a couple of years, should fit in there. And since there's 100 sheets, there's only 200 pages. So I'm thinking that I will put a little note on the front page about what it is I want to do and find some covers for this. But I am not going to talk about this a lot on a video. I may show you my covers, but what I'm going to do is post this question in my Facebook group. It's called This, That, and Chat, Journals, Mixed Media, and More. And I'm going to post the question every day in that group starting January 1st. And you can answer the question in group if you want. You can put it in your journal if you want. You don't have to play if you don't want. But I thought if you were interested, it might be fun to play along. And that's up to you. So that's the plan. So let me read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity for today, and then you can go make some art. One of the greatest things about creativity is that it can turn brick walls into pathways and obstacles into stepping stones. Okay, everybody, have a wonderful afternoon. Have a great day. Go make some art. Enjoy yourself. Bye-bye.